Namaskar, friends. Today, let us learn about the glory of surrender. A great philosopher said, a drop of rain falling into the ocean becomes the ocean. Therefore, you gain the power to which you surrender. It's just a raindrop, but it becomes the ocean. Therefore, friends, surrender is a very positive spiritual quality each one of us should possess. We surrender not to become weak or meek, but we surrender to evolve, to grow, to become a better version of ourselves. Surrender means you let go, you give up the negative qualities in you. You surrender, you drop your ego and then function. What is suggested by surrender is you give up your right of ego, you give up the negative qualities, the demeaning thoughts and emotions like anger, greed, jealousy. You are suggested and you understand that these thoughts and emotions, negative emotions and degrading thought are not conducive for our growth, for my evolution. Therefore, you surrender it because you have a higher ideal. Surrender means you have chosen a higher ideal, a nobler goal. You take the guidance of a mentor. You are aligned spiritually with a guru, with a scripture. Therefore, you surrender your ego and then you are able to work on yourself. And as a result, that's why I say we surrender the negative aspect in this, which has to be allowed to let go. Otherwise, once you allow the ego to manifest, you'll always find ego will help you up to a point, but it can destroy you eventually. That's why, if you observe the life of Hanuman, one of the greatest statements he makes is Deha bhavena dasosmi, Jiva bhavena twadam shaka, Atma bhavena tvamevaham. He says, when I consider my body, I am your servant. When I consider my mind, I am a part of you. When I consider the divinity in me, you and me are one and the same. His level, Hanuman's level of surrender is proverbial. Therefore, friends, understand surrender in the right way. Fix a nobler goal, a higher ideal, and let us surrender our ego, our negative thoughts, our demeaning emotions, our path which gets obstructed through this negative aspects. Let us surrender, let us let go of it because we are focused on a nobler mission in life. And once you keep doing it, your life is different. You become like a raindrop which falls on an ocean and becomes the ocean. What is the potential of a raindrop and what is the grandeur of an ocean? Therefore, friends, surrender is a blessing. Surrender is a possibility in our life, and once you keep doing it, you will see you're growing proficiently in your life. You're growing in quantum proportions. Think about it. Friends, if you like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Let more people get benefited. We have over 100 short videos meant for self-development, spiritual alignment. So, and you can also subscribe to our channel, spread this word around, let more people get benefited. Let's do this service to humanity. Let us make people experience happiness and let us help people live their life in a better way, in a glorious way. Thank you.